we often find a green ribbon on membrane switch. This is circuit tail. So what does it do? Let's talk about it. First of all, circuit tail plays the role of connection. It is the link between membrane switch and the external circuit. It ensures that the signal or power from membrane switch can be effectively transmitted to other devices. That is to say, membrane switch can connect the internal circuit to the external circuit through circuit tail, so that the membrane switch can work well. Secondly, circuit tail can control resistance of the circuit. You may find that circuit tails are long or short, and we use this to control the resistance. The longer the circuit tail, the greater the resistance, and the shorter the circuit tail, the smaller the resistance. Therefore, we can make adjustments according to the needs. In addition, circuit tail is soft. It can be suitable for different installation environments. The materials and design also ensure good durability. It can work for a long time without damage. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.